Are you tired of juggling duplicate organizations in Zendesk, scattering customer data, and creating admin headaches? Learn how to merge them in under 2 minutes. I'll walk you through the exact clicks, from opening your organization's page to confirming the merge, so you can do it right the first time.
Start by navigating to your Zendesk homepage.
Then, click on the organization icon in the left sidebar to open the organization's list. Go ahead and click on the first organization you want to merge. Then, at the top right, click the Actions button to open the menu. From the menu, select Merge into another organization to proceed. Now, choose the other organization you want to merge with. Then click Next to continue. Finally, click Confirm Merge to finish. And that's it. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.